Good morning, children. Now this is ninth class social studies, children. So we completed two lessons in geography. Now this is the history lesson, 12th lesson. So we discussed many points in this lesson about this lesson in the previous videos, children. What is that? Changing cultural traditions in Europe between 1300 to 1800. That means 500 years what happened and how changing are occurred in the European countries. What are the European countries? We know, children: Spain, Italy, France, Portugal, Netherlands, Norway, Sweden, Finland. Okay, children. Switzerland, Italy. So these all countries, children. Okay, now look, children, here we discussed in the previous video about some scientists. I said about Nicholas Copernicus. Copernicus belongs to Poland. Poland means Polish people. Polish people are called Poland people are called Polish. Okay, children. So he built one observatory, children. So he with his observatory he said Earth is not the center of the universe. Okay, so it is one of the planet in the solar system. Actually, Ptolemy said Earth is the center. Even in Bible also we can see the Genesis first chapter first verse. God created earth and heavens on earth. Okay, children. So it is contract. That means it is against the Bible, children. So that's why the Christians, especially the church, opposed the theory which is proposed by Nicholas Copernicus. After another scientist also came. What his name? Galileo. So he belongs to Italy. Copernicus belongs to Poland, children. He lived between 1473 to 1543. Okay. Church opposed his theory, children. Next, Galileo. He belongs to Italy. Okay, he lived between 1564 to 1642, children. So through his telescope he observed the planets, for example Jupiter, etc. Next one, pendulum system. Next one, how they are revolving, how they are moving, these planets, etc. But this is also against the church. So that's why church called this Galileo, and he was imprisoned by the church. He was persecuted by the church. Okay, children. Next one, he said, if we fell the heavy object and light object from the tower, the two objects will fall with the same upon the ground. So that was said by Galileo. What is his name? Galileo. Here, this Galileo also opposed by the church, especially on those days the church persecuted him or imprisoned him. Okay, children. Next, children, explorations of sea route. What is that? Explorations of sea route. We know in 1400, what is that? 1453, the trade began. Actually, the European countries came through the land route of Turkey into our Asian countries: India, Nepal, China, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Mongolia. So these all countries, children. When they are coming for the trading purpose, they are taking away our goods, they are getting profits. Who are European countries people? The land route of these European countries through Turkey. Okay, so here Constantinople, that was belongs to Christian, children. But this Constantinople was occupied by Ottoman Turks. They belongs to Islam or Muslims. So that's why they halted the land route, children. They halted the land route. When they halted the land route, the European people, they wanted to discover sea route of our India, which is belongs to Asia continent. Why? Because in our Asian countries, especially India, They saw valuable minerals, valuable natural wealth. Okay, so that is why they wanted to take these all. Okay, in this way they tried to find sea route, children. Why? Because the land route was halted by Ottoman Turks. Okay, children. So in this way, what happened? Portugal and Spain people, they actively participated for the discovery of sea route of our country, children. Okay, now look, children. Prince Henry belongs to Portugal. Portugal people are called Portuguese. Okay, children. So now Prince Henry belongs to Portugal. He crossed the Atlantic Ocean water through the west coast of Africa. If you find in the world map, below Europe continent we can see Africa continent. Okay, children, through Atlantic Ocean he was reaching the west coast of Africa. When he was reaching this west coast of Africa, he wrote one book, how he came, how many miles he traveled through this ocean, and which area he stopped. So each and every information he wrote in his book, children. Okay, children, with the help of Prince Henry information, Bartolomeu Dias, he also belongs to Portugal. What is his name? Bartolomeu Dias. So with the help of this information, he also traveled in the Atlantic Ocean waters, and he reached, he also going how this Prince Henry, and when he reached the west coast, he also going through the west coast of Africa, and finally he went forward and he reached Cape of Good Hope, which is belongs to Africa continent, to last tip, children. Okay, in South Africa country, in Africa continent. Okay, children. So he also wrote his information in his books. With the help of these two, Vasco da Gama, he also started his journey in the Atlantic Ocean through the west coast of Africa. Okay, next one, he entered into the Pacific Ocean, and he reaches the Arabian Sea, and finally he touched the land of our India. That land name is Calicut. What is that? Calicut. So finally he discovered the sea route of India, children. When he reached our India, Calicut, 1498. What is that? 1498. Now, children, Christopher Columbus, he also started his journey. But what did he thought? So Vasco da Gama, he traveled through west coast of Africa continent in the Atlantic Ocean water. Finally he entered into Pacific Ocean waters and Arabian Sea water. So finally he reached Asia, he reached India, Calicut. Okay, children. Next one, at the same time, this man also, Christopher Columbus also, he traveled with the westward in the dark ocean water of Atlantic Ocean. Finally he reached new land, children. He thought that is India. That is why he said that is East Indies, that people are called Indians. But after Amerigo Vespucci also, with the same direction, he also came and he found that land is not belongs to India. That separate land is very huge land. Okay, by his name it is called America. So we know North America and South America. In North America, 3 countries are there: Canada, USA, Mexico. In South America, some countries. What are that countries? Here Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Chile, Peru, Venezuela. So these countries are there in South America continent. Okay, children. So these 2 continents discovered by who? Amerigo Vespucci and this man. What is his name? Christopher Columbus. Okay, children. So he reached that land October 12th, 1492. Actually, he believed that was India belongs to Asia continent, but it was not Asia continent, India. It was a separate land. Okay, it is a separate land. After Christopher Columbus, Amerigo Vespucci also traveled the same direction, same way, and he found the big lands. They are called North America, South America. By Amerigo Vespucci, that land is called America. Next, another sailor also, Ferdinand Magellan, children. So he belongs to Spain, children. So with the help of these all information, these sailors' information, he started his journey from Spain, and almost he round the world, children. So finally he reached Philippine Islands. Okay, Philippine Islands. So how he did this achievement? With the help of King Charles I. With the help of King Charles I belongs to Spain, children. Okay, so now here the European country people, they discovered sea route of almost all countries. So he found North America, South America. He found the land route of Asia continent, and what are the islands. So each and every places they knew by the traveling of these sailors, children. Okay, they prepared the maps also, they prepared books also. With the help of these information, people are able to travel from in one area to another area, even though that is sea. Why? Because the land route were banned or halted by the Ottoman Turks. Okay, children. So that is. Next, I want to show you in your textbook these all details in the map. Look, children, so this is world, children. Can you see this one? Yeah, this is the world. So you can see in this world the continents. I said this is South America. This is North America. Okay, children. So this South America, North America land was discovered by Christopher Columbus and Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci. Now look, children, here Columbus traveled. So now look, children. So he traveled from here to, in the westward, and he reached these islands, West Indies, children. So after Columbus, Amerigo Vespucci. Look, children, Vespucci. So he reached these lands. Okay. Next, I said about Magellan. This is the red mark. Look, children, Magellan route. This is Magellan route. Not only Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. So finally he reached, look, children, Philippine Islands. So these are the Philippine Islands. Okay. Next I said about Bartholomew Diaz, Prince Henry, Vasco da Gama, etc. So they reached, this is Cape of Good Hope, children. So these are the west coast of Africa, children. So this area is the west coast of Africa. So this is where Africa continent. So you can see this Africa continent under the Europe continent, children. Okay. So in between you can see one sea, that is Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so this is Turkey area, children. Where I am pointing, look, children, this is Turkey area. So this red mark area is called Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Turks occupied this land. So before Ottoman, this Constantinople was under the Christians. Okay, so at the time of this Constantinople, the Europeans, they are going through this land route and entered into these lands of Asia continent countries. Okay, children. So now look once your textbook, then it is very clear, children. So I said about Vasco da Gama. So he also started his journey here, from here, and he is coming like this, and he entered into Indian Ocean and finally Bay of Arabian Sea, and he reached Calicut. Look, children, Calicut. So again he returned. Why? Because he knew this sea route of India. Okay, children. So that is. Now it is clear, children. In this, once again you look at the explorers, okay, etc. So I said in this lesson about sailors and scientists. Who are the scientists? Copernicus and Galileo. Sailors who are sailors Prince Henry, Bartholomew Diaz, Vasco da Gama, Christopher Columbus, okay, Amerigo Vespucci and Ferdinand Magellan. Okay, children. Thank you.